Brianna,
Same
please.
rules?
Same rules, please. No background commentary.
I don't like why not.
Brianna.
Okay, you're right, sister.
Anybody want a sister? I have one for sale. All right, Brie, for real.
Gotcha.
Okay. So now I can say welcome back to my channel. I just filmed my Fashion Nova haul. If you didn't see that, don't disrespect me. Go watch my video. So people mostly ask me, how do I care for my skin? What products I use? And I usually like go through this long list of things that I use. So I finally decided, let me just do this. I have a lot of stuff, but my best and biggest skincare tip is consistency, other than like water and minding your business. Consistency is really key. You really don't know if a product works until you've used it and tried it over time. I know for me, a lot of times when I use a new product, I kind of like break out a little bit. I think it just brings like all of the pimples and dirt to the surface, and then it starts to work if it does actually work. But I only know that after I've used it for, I would say, like a full week. That's when I know if I really like something. So I definitely give it a chance, and then I either add it or I replace it with something else. So first things first, I never, ever, ever sleep in my makeup. Don't be nasty. That is gross. And this is the most depressing part of my routine, removing my lashes. So no, I'm not doing that on camera. So I'm gonna remove my lashes. Usually what I do is, this is coconut oil. Oh my God, this is so funny because my friends and I always make fun of YouTubers who are like this to get it to focus, but I actually think that I do here. Okay, yeah. And then I remove all of it with a makeup wipe. I tend to use Pond's. Pond's is my favorite. I actually really like the lavender nighttime one. It's very calming. It's very soothing. It smells really good. The regular Pond's works. I'm actually a Pond's fan because I also use their moisturizer. So yeah, I'm actually gonna do that now. So let me take off my lashes. I also don't sleep in my lashes. That is also gross. Sidebar. I use Slay by Ella's lashes. I have 2 of her wheels. Honestly, by far my favorite lashes. This is not a plug because she never reposts me, and that really gets me tight. Ella is the girlfriend, wife, baby mom, fiance, something to A Boogie. I think this is the classic wheel, so these are the most subtle. I think to me these are like everyday lashes. I wish my lashes looked like this, but they don't. Then I have a really obnoxious wheel that I really like, and I don't care to be judged in this moment. So take off the lashes. Ooh, girl, who is that? I hate this part. Oh my God, I look crazy. It's real love, man. A lot of people don't see me like this. And then I go in, this is actually a new coconut oil. So ever since we've been quarantined, which is I don't even think it's been a full like solid 2 weeks, I have received an Amazon package every single day, and one of them was my new coconut oil. So rub it all over my face. Ooh. And it just loosens the makeup. So I'm gonna do it in my mirror actually. I have a lot on my hands. Are you kidding me? Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? use a makeup wipe, wipe it all off, and then I wash my face. Usually I use the Clean and Clear Nighttime Face Wash. Very basic. And I also have a Clarisonic. It's a really great product. I actually got it for my birthday. It was a birthday gift. It was really great. My sister got it for me. She's like staring at me as I'm doing this. I have used other face brushes, but none of them really do what the Clarisonic does because it really, really, really removes all of the makeup to the point where when I tone my face, there's almost nothing on the cotton round because of how much makeup it has removed. So it's really, really good. So I'm gonna go wash my face in the bathroom over the sink. Also,
you think you clean, clear, under control, and then you just swipe with toner and you got a bunch of makeup on there.
Just a little tip. Actually, my friend Jatana told me about this. Whenever your makeup wipes are dry, because I know this last one in here is dry, because my sister leaves the damn package open all the time. Don't say anything, because I know that she does. And they dry out. Please, they dry out. You can either spray it with some water. I have a spray bottle that I use for my hair that I also spray onto the makeup wipe just to moisten it, or some rose water spray, which I will show when my hands are dirty. So I'm about to do that. Give me a second.
The defamation. You really lying to these people.
Brianna, come back. Fresh face. No lashes, no makeup. All clean. I'm gonna go and start with my facial steamer. This is the Easy Basics one that I got from Amazon. It was pretty inexpensive. I don't think that it was more than $40. So if you've ever been in a wet sauna, this is like probably your ideal thing. Now I go and use my Witch Hazel Astringent. You can use toner if you need it. I don't really need toner right now, so I'm using an astringent. This is for your face and your body. Now I'm going to do a mask. So again, I don't do a mask every single day. You don't need to do that. But when I do, so this is a mask. I got this in a pack of like 36 maybe from Amazon. It's a bunch of different ones. The one that I'm using today is the Pomegranate Brighten and Enhancing Mask. So this one is packed with antioxidants. It has pomegranate extract that renews and rejuvenates for radiant, fresh, and balanced skin. This oil that I just like take out of the mask and I add it into the mask and on my neck. Don't forget your neck, people. Then I use this is a rose quartz roller, not jade. I do have a jade roller that's a lot smaller, but I like this one because it's bigger, it covers more area. So I usually use my jade roller in the morning when I wake up. My skin tends to be a little puffy, like my lips get swollen, and it depuffs the skin. And it also is really great for lymphatic drainage. So you just like move all the toxins out of your face. So I usually, with the mask on, I just go and I roll my skin. Some moisturizers that I use. This is Pond's Clarent B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. I do have a few dark spots. You could probably see them like on my cheeks, on my forehead, from me popping my pimples, whatever. This is really good. The way that I found this actually, so I did this mask. I think it was like an egg white mask, and I completely like broke out around my mouth, and then it got really dark and I was flipping out. So I was looking at different products that I could possibly use that would just lighten that part so it would match the rest of my face. And I saw this on Pinterest. I love Pinterest. And I said to get this and apply it. Literally in like days, my skin was back to normal. My skin is pretty good in terms of elasticity. Like it bounces back pretty quick. Really great for moisturizing, evens out your skin tone. That's usually what people look for in a moisturizer. I have also really learned while I talk, I'm gonna put it on. I've also learned that I am really not built for this winter climate. Whenever I have like traveled to tropical places or during the summer, I realize that my skin is really, really great. You know, I'm a city girl at heart, but I belong in the tropics. So sometimes I stop at my Pond's moisturizer and other times I don't. So Neutrogena Hydro Boost, this is literally the best. I pretty much have combination skin, so like I said, in the winter I get really dry, but my T-zone is usually pretty oily. So like my cheekbones, I have very high cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, but for the most part my skin can be a little dry, especially when it's really, truthfully, when it's cold. In the summer I'm good, but this always adds a little bit of extra moisture, and sometimes I put a little bit, just a little bit. But in the summer, definitely, just because it gives me this really nice, like dewy and wet look, I use this pretty often. But just for some extra moisture, depending on how I'm feeling, I just add a little bit. So this here, love this. This is Mario Badescu's rose water with aloe and herb spray. This is usually like the last thing that I do to my face, really soak it up. Sometimes I apply this to my face. So The Ordinary is a really good company with skincare. This is salicylic 2% solution. You can put this on like just your dark spots. I'm about to put a little bit on actually in the morning and at night, or you can put it all over your face depending on like how much you think you need. So sometimes I just like rub it in there with the rose water just to give these little spots an extra boost. And now my lips. So lip care is something that I really, really enjoy. This is Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask in Apple Lime. Oh my God, I love this stuff. It smells so good. So good. So it's a sleeping mask. I put it on before bed. It just, it's amazing. Other thing I use daily, I have, all right, so here's my Carmex. This is my go-to all the time. There are times that I do a full face of makeup and I only have on Carmex on my lips. If I can't find my Fenty gloss, which is pretty often. So this one is cherry. I actually ordered like a 20, what is with me in 24 packs? It's like, it might be a 12 pack. Don't drag me. 12 packs, so I don't have to like consistently buy them. I lose them all the time, and I have one everywhere. So I have one right here on my fake vanity office space in my mirror. I have one in my drawer on my nightstand. I have one in my little pouch that I put in my bag. So I transfer from bag to bag. So usually have about like 3 in rotation at a time. I know it's a lot, but I need it. Lips gotta stay moist. Okay, set on my camera. Moist. Jordan, moist always. So that's it. Wow, check me out. So that's it. That is my face. Thank you for watching, and just keep supporting me, guys, because I'm coming through with more stuff. Let me know what you want to do in the description box, comment box, whatever. What do these YouTubers say? Comment down below. Give me some ideas. Follow me on Instagram. Don't follow me on Twitter because I be talking shit. Whatever. Bye, guys. I want to be with the scammers. Yes.